go there.
I'm looking.
No, we're not going there.
Yeah.
Can you turn?
I think this was it. This is the little round. So we're stuck in this forest road here. The boondock side is useless. It's like down a big slope and totally overgrown. Be happy to turn around, but I cannot see a thing. I'm happy to go back onto that, the road 10 miles back that we saw here. If I keep going, we may not be able to turn around at all. This reversing camera is totally useless. What? It's just like... absolutely useless. Cannot see shit. It's supposed to be a low light camera, this halo view. Rubbish. We're a bit fucked. I need to go into the RV and get a torch.
Yeah, can you also try to put the Starlink?
No.
So we have internet. Because we're here already. We can just, maybe there's a spot there. Why we need to go 10 miles?
Well,
or get your iPad if you have already.
Starlink is unlikely to work in these trees.
What a pain.
Wow, I don't know. Our radios are flat. There's no signal for the telephone, so yeah, trying to do the communication was pretty hard. Our torches, flashlights going flat. Oh, we managed to turn around. Let's just go back, park on the side of the road. There was plenty of spots.
There's no internet.
There will be there.
Where's the guy said? Are they camping?
So these two, a couple are going to go camping, and they're trying to get past, of course. So,
Okay.
I can't believe we actually turned around there. I'm not sure if we did any damage. Do you think so?
I don't think so. It's just scratches, maybe. Let's add them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So this was just a campendium. Someone put it on there, and probably someone that took a tent. So I didn't check very well. I just thought, as high ground, we should go there. Obviously, we overreacted. Not that decision to leave, but
To come
let's
here?
just go back to the road. 10 miles back, there was somewhere alongside the road. I'm sure it'll be easy to explain to a policeman why we're parked on the side of the road.
Hopefully tomorrow there's no damage on the RV.
All right, we're in the RV. We got just these slides open that we need to go open to get to our bed. We're pretty well off the road, aren't we? Like 5 meters, 20 feet off the road. We'll definitely hear the cars, but sure, we've done the best we possibly can. I do expect some sheriff to stop and say, you can't camp here, and I'm going to have to explain why. And surely he's watched the news and he knows about the tsunami threat. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm expecting an interrupted sleep tonight. Morning, guys. We're still here on the side of the road. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. No tsunami, as far as we know, on the whole west coast of the US. I mean, there was something recorded, but it was in the matter of 1 foot sort of thing, which is great news for everybody. There's still a chance of more waves coming, but chances less and less. So probably just gonna have a coffee, wander back to the RV park. So watching Japan got some big time. Oakley just does not give a shit.
He got hungry last night.
Yeah, he was hungry, that's all. Alright, so, yeah, we'll show you where we are right when we get up. After the coffee, we'll go for a walk outside and then think about heading back. Time to get up. You know, it's the great thing about being in a mobile home on the beach. When tsunami comes, just move your home. It is mobile. There's so many people in that park though last night who were just going, nah, it'll be fine. They're in a mobile home. Move your home. I don't understand their hesitation. I guess a lot of people, you know, sort of live in them full time, and they sort of end up with them becoming unmobile. You know, like there was one next to us that had full of plants across the front windscreen of the Class A. Obviously, would have been a bit of a hassle to pack up and move. We're lucky. We are definitely mobile. You want a coffee? How do you have it? Creamer? Sugar? Time to go. Slides in and let's get out of here. We're just packing up here. We are in near the Olympia National Park, or is it Olympic National Park, Washington. We had a couple boondocking nights at this RV park, which is just, it's actually someone's industrial estate, but yeah, they got boondocking sites, so that's cool. Just about to leave, and I'm just checking things on the truck, you know, like to just be, we got 3 hours to do today. I've checked the oils, the fluids, just looking at the tires. Not looking good, hey, especially this one here. So if we look closely here, I mean, so much cracking on this sidewall. And look at the shape of it. I guess that's been scrubbed on a gutter somewhere. Tread-wise, well, maybe another year left in it. Maybe 6 months. So there's 4 of these back here. This is the worst one. The inboard ones that are out of the sun are better. But yeah, this outboard one's terrible. blowout waiting to happen, if you ask me. So before we head south for the winter, I think we might have to buy another set of 4 tires. There's easily $1,000 worth of just there. See if I can find the date on this tire. Here it is. Oh wow. No, that's not it. The truck's 2021, so that's not it. You know what? It's normally in this thing, but that's not it. Now, even put my glasses on, checking the other tire. I think that they only print the date on one side of the tire, which is annoying. So I can't see what age these are, but the truck's only 4 years old. So, but yeah, these may be the original tires. This is the other side. You can see some cracking, but nowhere near as bad sidewall damage. So it's definitely scrubbing on the gutter on that side, but there's still this cracking here. Look at that. Tread-wise, another 6-12 months. But I think we got to do it. Got to spend the money, because I'd hate for my wife to have a blowout when I'm away at work, you know. So, damn it. Oh well. BOAT. Bring out another 1,000.
After 700 feet, keep right towards Tumwater.
Hey crew!
Hey crew!
We're still in Washington and the weather is lovely. We've just spent, was it 4 days over near the Olympic National Park. So the first place we stayed at was 1,000 Trails Park right on the beach, and then a tsunami chased us away.
Yeah.
Well, chased us away for the night. But we come back the next day and then decided we're too far away from the national park. So we booked and paid for some boondocking sites further north near Forks, Washington. And we went and saw the national park. What did we do first?
We went to Cape Flattery.
Cape Flattery, which was beautiful.
Yeah, I love that.
To die for scenery.
Yeah.
In the fog and just so moody, and it was straight out of Twilight. It really was.
Winds don't come here.
You caught that, huh? I'm not really supposed to say anything about it.
Hey, I can keep a secret.
Really?
So then we went to Hoh Rainforest, which was actually really dry. It's funny, like on the coast, it is wet from all the sea mist, the fog, and then up the mountain, it's really dry right now. So it's supposed to be like moss gardens and things, and it was still there, but it just sort of felt a bit dry. It was pretty. And then yesterday we walked around Hurricane Ridge. We were trying to find, what were they?
Marmots.
Marmots. Apparently there's marmots there.
Yeah.
Didn't see any.
We're trying to, escape people. We did that, but no marmots.
Yeah, we got up really early and got there before the crowds, which is great. There's still no marmots. Don't know why. Don't know where they're gone.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure what a marmot is.
It's like a peridot, but bigger.
Oh, is it?
Ceremony.
Where are we?
Olympic.
Where's that?
Washington.
What country?
USA.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
The pressure of getting it straight. Don't knock me. I can feel it hanging.
Yeah.
You saying no good?
A little bit.
Oh, God.
Make it for left more.
Serious?
I can see the line. Yep.
You're not meant to see any line.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Beat upside down.
The wrong fucking place.
Oh no! What the fuck?
Why didn't you tell us?
I knew it. I knew it. You can't do it.
I have to get super glue.
No, don't remove it. It's just gonna be a funny sticker now.
Olympic.
How do you gonna pronounce that? Chicolo.
Chipimalo.
Oh my god.
That's That's the local tribe speak for Olympic.
I knew it. You're gonna do
I
that.
didn't have my glasses on. I'm blinded by the sun. I couldn't see. And you weren't telling me. And you weren't
I
telling me.
didn't see it too. There you go. And then we went to Saltdock Falls.
So pretty waterfalls,
Yeah.
pretty walk again. Pretty crowded though. Again, it was the middle of the day. Lots of people. Then we went to the beach where we wanted to see the hole in the wall, and we walked a long way. I'm thinking it was 1.5 to 2 miles each way along the beach. So we just walked 1.5 miles. You see where the edge of the trees are? That's where we walked from to go into this hole in the wall. And we can't get there. And it's so exciting.
We didn't see any starfish. Nothing.
I'm thinking it was 1.5 to 2 miles each way along the beach. And when we got there, can't see the hole in the wall.
Yeah.
You can only see it from a distance. No, it was low tide, but it's probably, we need a spring low tide to be able to walk around to the hole. Ah, well.
Yeah, and I wanted to see the starfish, you know. And when
Ain't no starfish.
No. Yeah.
Anyway, it's pretty coast, but the water is cloudy and dirty. You know,
Yeah,
not like
chunky.
polluted, just sort of the sand is sort of brown and gets mud stirred up in it. Anyway, lots of rivers come out there, so it's not clear water at all.
Yeah.
Now we're heading for some mooch docking.
First time, right?
Yeah. Oh no, we mooch docked like maybe once or twice. Remember in San Antonio when
Yeah.
our friend took us flying?
Are you ready?
A couple that we met first in Madagascar when we were sailing, they were on their boat, slow flight.
Yeah.
Trevor and Kimmy, where they've sold their boat now, which is sad. They've given up their life jackets. They live here in Olympia. We are 20 minutes away from setting up our mooch dock with them. In fact, we're not mooching. We're just using near their driveway. Yeah. We're not hooking up at all. We'll just be boondocking. But really looking forward to seeing our mates.
Yay!
We can relive some old sailing times and talk about our new lives. Looking forward to it. A little bit worried about getting to their house. It is in
Yeah.
a suburban area. I'm worried about low power lines. I'm worried about sharp corners, cars parked on the side. You know, let's see how we go. Fingers crossed. Our mate's house is just down the road here, and it's a beautiful spot actually. Like, look at our view from the breakfast window. Look at that. Lovely.